the pool! Me too! Look at the water!
Let's put our towels here.
Can we swim now? Please?
Wait, Ben. First, let's talk about the rules.
Okay, Dad.
Rule 1, don't run at the pool. Rule 2, stay where we can see you.
Rule 3, no deep end alone.
We understand.
Okay, go and have fun.
Yes! Let's go, Emma! Race you to the water! Splash fight! Ready, go! Ah! Hey! No fair, Ben! Catch, Ben! I got it! Your turn! This is boring now. I like it here. It's safe. But look at the deep end. It looks so fun. I'll just look closer. Ben, wait! Don't run!
Walk, please. No running by the pool.
Sorry. Are you okay? I'm fine. I wanted to see the deep end. You can look from here. Never go there without an adult. Emma! Come play with us! Coming! Ben, stay here, okay? Okay.
This sun feels so nice.
I'm just gonna check this work email real quick.
Emma, it's your turn! Dive for the ring! Okay, watch this. Mom and Dad aren't looking. Emma is busy. Just a quick look won't hurt. "9 feet. That's really deep. It's okay. I'm a good swimmer. Just this once.
I can't touch the bottom!
That's Ben! Ben's in trouble! Lifeguard! Help! My brother!
Huh. I see him! Stay back! I've got you. You're okay now. Hold on to the tube.
Thank you.
Ben! Oh, thank goodness.
Are you hurt? Are you okay?
I'm okay, Mommy. I'm sorry.
Ben, let's sit down and talk. Why did you go in alone?
I wanted to see the deep end. I thought I was ready.
The rules aren't there to stop your fun, Ben. They're there to keep you safe.
Next time, ask us to go with you. We'll always say yes.
I understand now. I'll always ask first, and I'll never swim alone again. I'm proud of you, Ben.
Come on, everyone! Let's swim together!
Yes, let's all go together. Look at me! Hey, look at Leo. Why? Moo, why, Snell? Poor Leo is here again. Good morning, Leo.
Good morning, Emma.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am.
Will you come to the park later?
No, I need to work.
Again?
Yes, my mother needs help.
You help your mother every day.
She works very hard.
You are a good son.
Thank you.
Bye, Emma. See you tomorrow.
Hey, stop!
Me?
Leo, my wallet is missing.
Your wallet?
Yes, I cannot find it.
I did not take it.
You were near my store.
Yes, I walked past it.
My wallet disappeared.
I do not know anything.
What happened? My wallet is gone. Really? Yes, it disappeared.
Who was here before?
Leo was here.
Oh,
I only walked by.
Maybe Leo took it.
No! I did not.
Then where is my wallet?
I do not know.
Maybe we should check his bag.
That is a good idea.
No! Please wait.
I just want my wallet.
I did not take anything.
then show us.
I am telling the truth.
We do not know that.
Why does nobody believe me?
The wallet is gone.
You were here.
That does not mean I took it.
Leo!
Emma,
What is happening?
The store wallet is missing.
You think Leo took it?
Maybe.
No, Leo is honest.
Can you prove that?
Leo, please open your bag.
my bag.
Yes, I need to check.
Okay,
Leo, it is okay.
I know.
I believe you.
Thank you, Emma.
Open it. Yes. Open the bag.
Okay. I see books.
And notebooks.
Keep looking.
That is all.
There is no wallet.
That is strange.
Then where is it?
I told you.
Wait a minute. I saw Leo earlier.
Really?
Yes, near the store window.
What did you see?
Leo stopped here. He looked inside.
Yes, I did.
Then Leo went away. That sounds suspicious.
No, it does not.
Let him explain.
Leo, why did you stop?
I saw something.
What did you see?
A small brown dog.
A dog?
Yes. The dog had something.
What do you mean? What did the dog have?
I am not sure. But it looked like a wallet.
A wallet?
Why didn't you say this before?
Nobody asked me.
Oh.
He is right.
Which way did the dog go?
Toward the park. The park?
Yes.
We should look for the dog.
Yes.
I can help. Thank you, Leo.
Maybe we were wrong. Maybe.
I only wanted to help.
I know. The park is very big.
Yes, it is.
Let's keep looking.
Okay.
Do you see the dog? Not yet.
I hope we find it.
We will. Wait,
What is it?
I see something.
Where?
Is that the dog?
I think so.
Yes.
It is! It is!
My wallet!
The dog has it! I told you.
Oh my goodness!
Hey! Stop! Come back with that wallet! Wait! Come back! The dog is running! Follow me! Hurry! It is very fast.
I see it. Do not lose it.
I won't. Dog, stop! I do not think it understands. Maybe not.
Oh dear.
Look!
What?
The dog stopped.
Really?
Wait, what is it? The dog is not alone.
What do you mean?
What do you see?
A little puppy.
A puppy?
Oh, it is so small.
The puppy looks hungry.
Yes, very hungry.
Poor little thing.
It needs help.
My wallet.
It is beside the dog. The dog did not steal it.
It carried it away.
Maybe the wallet fell down.
Yes,
Then the dog found it.
I think so.
Leo,
Yes,
I am sorry.
it is okay.
Leo was telling the truth.
Yes.
We were wrong.
It is okay.
You tried to help me,
Yes,
and I blamed you.
you did not know.
Leo is a good person. She is right. Leo helped everyone.
I only did my best.
Leo,
Hi, Ethan.
I heard everything.
Oh, myself.
I was wrong about you.
Really?
Yes. I am sorry.
Thank you.
Leo, please wait.
Yes, Mrs. Carter?
I want to thank you.
You do not have to.
You helped me today.
I wanted to help.
You saved my wallet.
I am happy to help.
I have an idea.
What is it?
Leo, would you like a job?
A job?
At my grocery store.
Really?
Yes, after school.
Wow! Thank you so much.
You earned it.
I am happy for you.
This means a lot.
Leo, can I ask something?
Sure,
Why were you still helping?
because it was the right thing. Today was fun. I like school. I am going home now. What is that? Something is on the ground. Oh, it is a wallet. Who dropped this? Wow, there is money inside. A lot of money. This is strange. There is nobody here. What should I do? No one is here. No one saw me. I found it. It is mine now, right? Wow! A new bike! I always wanted one. This bike is amazing! Look at all these toys! I want that robot and that car. I can buy everything. What is this? A picture? Let me see. This family looks happy. Who are they? Maybe this wallet is important. Very important. Hi, Henry. Oh, hi, Lily. What are you doing? Look what I found. Is that a wallet? Yes. Where did you get it? I found it. Really? There is money inside.
Wow.
A lot of money.
And a photo.
Yes.
Look at the picture.
Yes?
This wallet belongs to someone.
They may be worried. Maybe. There is so much money. I could buy a bike.
Henry.
A really nice bike. Wow! I want that bike! And those toys! They are amazing!
Look at this picture.
I see it.
This wallet belongs to someone. They may be looking for it.
Maybe. I found it. Maybe I should keep it.
No, Henry. That is not right.
Why not? The money looks nice. But this picture, it feels important. The wallet is in my bag. I still have it. Maybe I should keep it. Maybe...
Hi, Henry.
Hi, Mom.
How was school?
It was good.
That's nice.
There is so much money. A lot of money. And this picture, why do I keep looking at it?
They look happy. This man is smiling. This little girl is smiling too. They must miss this wallet. I should be sleeping, but I can't. I keep thinking about the wallet. What should I do?
My wallet. Where is my wallet? I cannot find it. Oh no. My wallet is gone. My money is gone. But my family picture, it is all I have left.
Grandpa, did you lose it?
Yes,
Our family picture?
I miss it.
The dream, the old man. He needs his wallet. I know what to do. I made my decision. I will return it. It is the right thing. I have to help. Lily!
Hi, Henry.
I changed my mind.
You did?
Yes.
Let's look inside.
Okay.
There must be a clue.
I hope so.
Keep looking. Wait!
What is it?
Look!
An ID card.
We found a clue.
We know who he is.
Yes.
Now we can find him.
Let's help him.
Let's go.
Let's check this house.
Okay.
No, not this one.
Let's keep looking.
We are close. Wait, what is it?
The numbers match. Really?
Yes, this is the house.
I am nervous.
It's okay.
What if he is not home?
Let's find out.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
We found something.
You did?
Yes. Is this yours?
My wallet.
We found it.
Oh my goodness. My wallet. I can't believe it.
We found it yesterday.
We wanted to return it.
Thank you.